Hi everyone, welcome back to Canon Coffee. Here we have a Saeco Espresso Classico. This machine was brought in because it would turn on, but there was no heat or pressure. And what was going on is that there was something wrong with the switch here. It needed to be replaced. It wasn't providing power to the heating element, which is the reason for no heat and no pressure. So we replaced that and performed a tune-up where we replaced the brew group gasket, deep cleaned the screen, run a descale cycle, and now it's working just fine. So let's test it. Looking good, a little fast. Coarse, or the grind is a little coarse, perhaps, but still looking good. Alright, test the hot water. Open up the wand, press the brew switch, delivery of hot water. Alright, and now we'll do the steam. Take just a moment. Alright, now we're cooking. Alright, steam looking good. There it is, Saeco Espresso Classico, working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Canon Coffee, and please like our videos.